Hello to you streets. Guess where am I? I'm going to show you another gem of Glasgow, which is so fucking hidden at Argyle Street. It's the Sloans. Once it was a you know, coffee house, coffee factory, which was established around 1797. The Sloans. The coffee house, the market as well. But look, this is the original Glasgow close vinyl. Because Glasgow had these called older tenements called closest vinyls. That's how they look like. So here, these are the Sloans. Once again, I repeat, established in 1797. What was that? Coffee house, glass factory. As you can see, it's a fucking boozer. Fucking boozer. And some clubs now. A great. Some nerds. And of course, are you dancing, mom? Are you? Of course. Oh, traffic cone. Does it look like for the very, very look? How mysterious is this one's fucking pure magical gem of Glasgow? You can miss it if you're going down Argyle Street. You can miss it. You just have to love Glasgow, so is me. So, see you after. Now look at this one's.